Okay, on this edition of Garage Mahal, we had a baby queue, I guess, baby shower thing here at Garage Mahal over the weekend. But anyway, on top of the tire machines and tire balancer, somebody was asking me about my cantilever shelving that I kind of always took for granted, but it was like one of the first things that I made in the garage. A little disorganized, but each one of these cantilever shelving pieces is roughly a 28 by 30 inch square, 30 inches wide by 28 inches high, almost a square. And I added this industrial sliding ladder, which basically slides down this track so we have access to everything that's on the shelves. And my love for literature and libraries, that was a kind of like a no-brainer for me to put up in the garage. And like I said, it was a little chaotic this weekend, so I don't have everything as organized. Like I pulled down a lot of the lawn chairs that go up there. But anyway, give you an idea, that is 120 square feet of storage, if you can believe that. That's like enough for a 12 by 10 room. And I basically built a whole shelving unit up there because, with 12-foot walls, because of the lift and everything, I had a lot of wasted space. So we knew from the get-go that we were going to have some storage to put up there. So anyway, so each level is 60 square feet of storage. So you can put quite a bit of stuff up there. And they were pretty easy to make. Obviously, if I want to zoom in, I used the Craig joining system. Kind of hard to see, but I kind of hid each little Craig hole, but you can kind of see it up there. And then down on that side. So these are pretty sturdy. And actually, when I was building them, on each bracket, I was actually standing. I'm probably about 220. So, and I've been up there often over the on-air sign. Over above that, hidden back there, I have Garage Mahal's wireless network hidden. But I had to crawl up on that shelving unit between those two spots. And I had stuff up there as well as me crawling around. So they do support quite a bit of weight, to say the least. And anyway, I made them out 2x4s. And I used the Craig pocket hole to basically hide all the screws as I was putting them in there. A little tricky on a 45-degree angle. But yeah, they're 30 inches by 28 inches high. With that 45-degree angle cut into them. And then mounting them into the wall, I used, I believe it was 6-inch. Let me see if I got this right. Actually, I think they were 5-inch screws that I put down into the 4x4. Actually, I think it's a 4x6 is the outer beam for the pole barn. So I went through the 2x4, which is 1.5 inches, and then I sank them into the 4x6s, and that obviously went deep enough in there to be able to support it all. And I put quite a few of those. I guess they're 5.5 inch sunken screws or bolts that I put in all the way up the beams. And on this one in particular, You can tell I just put that through the sheetrock and into, we had built the wall behind there, obviously to hang the sheetrock. So that one right there is going to have a just basically a 2x4 stud that those screws go into. But like I said, it holds quite a bit of weight. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. But as you can tell, I have quite a bit of stuff up there now when it's organized. I have a bunch of tools on that side that I don't regularly use. I put up there. And I said there's got to be probably a couple 100 pounds in each section. Anyway, any questions, leave them down in the comments. And as always, thanks for subscribing and liking.